It took one more try. I don't know why I ended it. Oh well. It's time to be a hackers again. Use the hacker. Oh, it's another 4-1. I think this is the last hacker thing here. So I really don't like the hacker too much. Well, that's a lie. I like it, but it is... Oh my god, infuriating. Oh, thank god. Jesus, that was close. Yeah, as I said, things do get a lot harder now. I think it's going to be as easy as it was before. It wasn't. It was easy-ish, but it could have been harder. It now picks up the pace a lot. This is where things start to get a little bit tricky. I'm waiting for one more. There it is. That one was quite easy. Correction, that one was really easy. I don't know why I'm saying quite. That was incredibly easy. I didn't really have to have any trouble manoeuvring around. There we go. Destroy this, and one more. There it is. All done. One more. I thought I was finished, but no. That seems generous, but a whole load of shit, I believe, comes now. Oh no, it's not this one, it's another one I'm thinking of then. Get prepared. I recommend using the flux. Just do it, trust me. It's worth it. Get the flux out. Balls. I was hoping that would work. Although it does seem pointless, it's so worth doing. I only need 10,000 more. Bring it on. 1,000 whip. Come on, you can upgrade. You're upgrading today. Today is the day you upgrade. Today is the day. Today is the day. What? What bullshit was that? I'm sorry, that was total bull. That hit me through the fucking wall. I'm just gonna hit them once. I'm not gonna hit them over and over. I just wanna see. Oh wow, I got it. LOL. That is win. The only thing I've got I never checked. A box. Oh my god. That is amazing. That's like the sexiest, coolest thing I've ever received in my life. That guy's still there? He is still there. Bye. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting that Clank's not here. There you go, got them both. It's worth doing. You'll lose a bit of health probably, but it's so worth doing because it does give you quite a bit of experience. It's a nice experience. I don't know why I thought there was someone. Oh my, I knew there was something. Why did I think that? I thought there was something coming. I don't know why I thought that, but I was bloody right. Now it may seem pointless. I recommend shooting them because it does give you a surprisingly good amount of experience. Balls. It does give you quite a bit though. Well, it doesn't... you wouldn't think it would, but it does give you a surprisingly good amount. It is actually surprising, is what it is. Okay. Probably gonna die. Well, I'm gonna do this. That was really stupid. Go. You shouldn't, unless the whole thing glitches again, be able to get me. Okay, go. Come on, get out of my way. Okay, one more, come on. Is he gone? Oh, he is gone. Nice! I thought he was still alive. Ah! Okay, you're alive. I didn't see that coming, if I'm being brutally honest. Ah, 4,000. Come on. I completely forgotten all of them were there. Absolutely forgotten. But no matter, because it's all good. Actually, no, it's terrible. Okay, you're not going to glitch me again. Of any level, this is probably the most glitchiest. Die. Oh yes, nanoattack increase. Thank you very much. Again, I'll do the typical one each thing. Just 'cause I like to. Wow. Okay. That's surprisingly shocking. Boom. Nice. That's how it's done. That is how it's done. No doubt about it. That is how it's done. I'm already on this. Why am I preparing to change to it? If you're lucky, yeah, that is how it is done. Get to at the same time. That is skill. Fail. See how much I've got left? I've got left to the upgrades. Not a lot. Will it upgrade? No. Damn. Still hoping it will. Can it upgrade? No, not enough. No, I'm willing to send these guys out for the great good. Goodbye. You did well, fellows. They do quite well, I must say. Impressed. Kill it. Excellent, that is. You're going for an upgrade. Plasma, though. Oh yeah, that's how it's done. Now some may say it'd be wise to use that. I disagree. I use the plasma whip in this level, and it will upgrade. And I'm only about 800 away from getting my new weapon, which is awesome because that's what I need for my ultimate destiny. Because that weapon is like the godsend of the world. Seriously, you want that weapon. That is a weapon you definitely want. Oh my god, where did you come from? Oh my god, where the hell did you all come from? Die. You upgrading yet? Ah! Oh, this is the last bit. I am done, and you didn't upgrade, damn you.
Clank, where have you been? I thought something happened to you.
I was having my sprockets lubed.
Lubed?
It's a fine time for a tune-up. Where's Courtney Gears?
Miss Gears has left the planet.
What? What about Nefarious? Did she tell you where he is?
Dr. Nefarious is aboard a star cruiser called the Leviathan.
Yes.
Okay. Nice job, Clank. So, I'll just call Sasha and have her track down that star cruiser.
Oh, I love the cutscene after the Leviathan. It is by far my favourite cutscene of the game. It's so funny. Oh, it's time. Oh, yes. Okay, look at this. Sucks in enemies, that's what it does. Okay, I'm done. Sorry, it's just amazing. It's beautiful. Oh.
Yo, dudes!
Hey, Skid.
Oh, yes, I forgot about this.
Awesome! A few minutes ago, this totally tricked out space limo rolls up, and dude, you won't believe who was in it. Courtney Gears!
Courtney
Were you
Gears!
spotted?
No way, man! I've been staying out of sight, keeping a low profile. I'm like a shadow, dude.
And you're sure it was her?
Totally! She even autographed my t-shirt.
Ah,
you know how much this thing is worth?
Skid, get out of there!
Hold on a sec, bro. Somebody's coming. Hey, if you dudes are here about the shirt, the bidding starts at 300 bolts. Whoa, chill out, man. Hey!
Skid's in trouble. We better get back to the Obani Moons.
I forgot about that. Oh well. Let's go.